Hello guys, welcome to Trading. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So I'm posting a post-market report and pre-market reports regularly on daily basis. So please follow me to get the updates and analyze on your own methodologies and improve your skills by analyzing the charts. Okay, then only you can able to sustain in the share market. So my levels will be like predictions and all like only for knowledge purpose, not 100% predictions. So you have to analyze on your own and then follow the system. Okay, don't blindly need to follow anyone. Okay, so as per the this video, like this is what upcoming levels for Bank Nifty. We have already posted the pre-market levels for Monday, which I shown here. Okay, who are not watched, please watch my previous video for pre-market levels for Monday, 27th February. What is a long and short question which I showed here? Okay, that I already explained. So you can watch that and come back here. Okay, this is for upcoming days. Okay, for the next week, like what is the levels? Okay, so as I say, once this 40 136, this red line. Okay, taken support from here, then only market can go up at least 50% or 60%. Okay, then you can try in the stop loss, and then if market reach this place like 46.6 either by Monday or Tuesday, then you have to wait for like take support from here 46.6. If it is taken, then market will go next level by this next week, by coming week, like 47.90, around 4800. Okay, and then next level 49.32. Okay, this is for upcoming week. Once these levels are broken, it will reach up to this level. Okay, and for short positions, like it will reach the support level after this 3959, 595. It will reach 39,422, and then support level 39,264. So this is the levels for short positions. Each levels, if it is market can able to take retracement. Okay, if it is take retracement, it will go for long position. Once broken and taken resistance only, it will go for short positions. Okay, so please analyze and learn the knowledges, then go for the trading. Okay, so this is for upcoming week levels. Okay, for Bank Nifty. So for Nifty, I didn't post today. If you need, please let me know on comments. I can post you the levels for Nifty 50 also. Okay. Normally I post for Bank Nifty. I'm following Bank Nifty for a long time. That's what. Okay. But while trading, you need to follow the Nifty also. Okay. So analyze the charts, analyze these levels. If it is suitable for you, then you can trade it and plan it accordingly. Okay. No need to follow blindly with my levels. Okay, work on your skills on this weekends with these levels and charts, and then decide it on upcoming week how to trade and where to enter and exit everything. Okay, if anything, any topics need to know or if you need, please let me know on comments. Based on your support only, I can able to do on upcoming videos. I can able to share. Okay, so that's it for the day. I'll post any other topics by today or tomorrow. Okay. If you're not watched in my previous videos or if you are a beginner, please watch my old videos. Okay. And then come to new videos. Then only you can able to understand. Okay. So as of now, see you. Bye. Good night.